Good morning. I just wanted to share how we've been making tortillas that are very flexible without using corn. First, we steamed our sweet potatoes. I think other pumpkins work as well, but sweet potatoes seem to work really, really well. So I got them where they were very cooked, so they're super soft. And then I'm going to put them in the food processor with some water and a little bit of salt until they're made like mashed potatoes, just really, really creamy and smooth. So whatever way you have to accomplish that, it doesn't matter as long as you get it nice, as smooth as possible. And that's what I'm going to use to make the flexible tortillas, because regular flour, even if it's wheat or if it is gluten-free, it will not smash in a tortilla press that I use to make tortillas. But when you mix that flour, whether you're making gluten-free tortillas or wheat tortillas, once you mix the sweet potatoes, then you can press them and they stay flexible. It's just amazing.